Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kale soft for salad. Raw kale can often be quite tough and have a slightly bitter taste, which isn't ideal for a fresh salad. By taking a few simple steps to soften it, you'll transform its texture and enhance its flavor, making your kale salad much more pleasant and delicious to eat. The easiest way to soften kale is by massaging it. First, remove the tough, fibrous stems from the kale leaves. Then, tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large bowl. Add just 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon juice and gently massage the kale with your hands for about 2 to 3 minutes until it feels noticeably softer. This simple massaging action physically breaks down the kale's tough cell walls, making the leaves more tender and less fibrous. It also helps the kale better absorb any dressing you add, ensuring every bite is flavorful. You'll notice a significant difference in both the texture and the overall taste of your salad, making it much more palatable. For the best results, always start with fresh, vibrant kale. After massaging, let your kale rest for about 5 minutes before adding other ingredients. This allows it to relax even further. Now your perfectly softened kale is ready for your favorite salad dressing and toppings. Enjoy your delicious, tender kale salad. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.